Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAlTareeq.com, and here is what's on my Burstcoin radar. This is July the 28th, 2016. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're looking at the burst chart, and as you can see, we're hugging at the 34 Satoshi's levels at the time at which I'm looking at this particular chart. Again, as I mentioned before, this is probably where the support and resistance at around the 34 level. I want you guys to understand, listen, I'm not here to cheer on burst or to give some hoo-has about the burst. What I'm doing is analyzing burst from a professional trading point of view, looking at what the chart tells me as to where it is going as it stands right now. So with that said, I'm giving my professional analysis based on the charts from a naked price action methodology and what's going on. Right now, the chart does not look good. As I mentioned to you before yesterday, we keep falling down and there is no movement on burst. In order for there to be some movement on burst, that's going to have to come from the burst divs in order to bring some movement. You guys can mine all you want, do what you do, but there are other entities that need to get involved in bringing in value to burst. Right now, the market says there isn't any value. Again, here's my recommendation. If you're in it for the long term, buy on the lows, and we look for burst div to give some value to burst so that we can benefit on the highs. Right now, this may even teeter down into the 30s, into the 30 levels. But it is a recommendation, buy on the lows, and there's no buy recommendation in terms of upward movement. The charts are showing me it keeps going on a stairwell in a downward way. There's no naked price action that says to buy in a upward bullish movement. So with that said, guys, this is the reality of burst. Here's my today's recommendation as well, holding at support and resistance between 35 and 30, and we will see what happens tomorrow morning. With that said, you guys have a magnificent day on purpose, and I'll talk with you soon.